Are you tired of feeling like your school uniform is holding you back from expressing your personal style? Well, today I'm going to show you that there are many ways to style your uniform and boost your confidence. Let's start. Don't underestimate the power of a great pair of shoes when it comes to improving your school uniform. While your school may have strict guidelines on what you can wear, your footwear is an opportunity to showcase your personal style. Brands like Nike, Converse, Adidas, Puma, Vans, and New Balance offer a wide range of comfortable and stylish options that can elevate your uniform without breaking any dress code rules. By carefully selecting your shoes, you can add a touch of personality to your look and feel more confident throughout the day. Take your school uniform to the next level by adding a stylish bag. The versatility of a neutral-colored handbag makes it a great choice for your personal touches. Consider adding pins or other embellishments to give your bag a unique flair. The more details you add, the more you'll elevate your overall style and make your uniform stand out. Want to add some flair to your school uniform without breaking the rules? Look no further than layering. Some schools allow students to wear additional clothing over their shirts, giving you the perfect opportunity to inject some personality into your outfit. Try pairing a fitted or oversized knit sweater with your blouse or button-down shirt. For a more polished look, consider a fitted blazer or jacket. With these simple layering tips, you can elevate your uniform and express your personal style. Don't forget to style your hair nicely even if you're late at school. You don't need to be a hair expert to achieve a stunning look. With a few simple steps, you can master any hairstyle you desire. For a cute and playful look, try a braid or a messy bun. And for a more elegant and sophisticated appearance, opt for a high ponytail. While uniforms can make everyone look alike, adding a hairpiece can be a subtle yet effective way to express your personality and stand out from the everyone. From delicate clips to eye-catching headbands, hair accessories offer a wide range of options to suit your style. There's always a hair accessory that can help you showcase your individuality. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like it. See you in the next video. Bye.